Don't make the big mistake of thinking you will get very rich very quickly in cryptocurrency. The media tends to highlight successes, and ignores those who have lost their entire life savings. Don't be that guy. Investing in cryptocurrency is a high-risk, high-reward venture. While it's true that some investors have made significant profits in a relatively short amount of time, it's important to remember that the market is volatile and unpredictable, and there are no guarantees that this trend will continue. That's why it's crucial to follow the advice of experienced investors and not invest more than you can afford to lose. There is an old saying in financial circles: very few get rich quickly, but there is never a shortage of people who got poor quickly. In practical terms, this means that you should only invest money that you can afford to live without. This could be money that you have saved up for a specific purpose, such as a down payment on a house, or it could be money that you have set aside for emergencies. Whatever the case may be, it should not be money that you need to pay your bills or meet other essential expenses. It is very important to have a clear investment strategy and to stick to it. This means setting clear investment goals, determining the amount of risk you are comfortable with, and diversifying your portfolio to minimize risk. Don't invest all of your money in one cryptocurrency or even in just one asset class. Instead, spread your investments across a range of assets, including stocks, bonds, and commodities. Finally, keep in mind that investing in cryptocurrency requires a significant amount of research and due diligence. Before you invest, be sure to thoroughly research the project or currency you are considering, including its technology, team, and overall market trends. Stay informed of regulatory changes, news, and trends, and be prepared to make changes to your investment strategy if necessary. In short, investing in cryptocurrency can be a potentially lucrative opportunity, but it's important to approach it with caution and to only invest what you can afford to lose. By doing your due diligence, diversifying your portfolio, and sticking to a clear investment strategy, you can increase your chances of success in this exciting and dynamic market. Many of those who got rich slowly used the dollar-cost averaging methodology that we explained back in Lesson 7, Seeking Moderate Risk. Please look in the Resources tab for a more detailed description of DCA.